Do you have an overflow fridge and freezer? Well, in our basement we do, and most of my clients actually do too. And what I've learned is that it takes some tricks to get those overflow fridge and freezers organized. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your overflow fridge and freezer. Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama. I'm a family organizing expert that helps you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials the entire family can do. What I found is that most of my in-home clients use their overflow fridge for drinks, like different beverages, beers, wines, and just anything that needs to be kept cold. So with all of those beverages, you really need to create some sort of order. Otherwise, you're going to find what I found in the back of one of my clients' fridges. So she had no order to her fridge. She just kept throwing in drinks. And we found that one of the cans of her bubbly juice exploded. And it got all over her fridge. She had no idea because there was so many things in it. So our main goal was to get this fridge organized so that everything was easy and nothing could get lost in the back. The first thing we did was use a whole bunch of beverage bins. Now, these bins are amazing because you can lay your drinks down and kind of pull them out like a dispenser. I love these bins for longer drinks because it really keeps everything organized and tidy and nothing is getting lost in the back. Plus, when you get a new group of drinks, you can just put them to the back of the bin so that nothing goes stale or flat. Another thing I like to add is if you have wine, to use these wine holders. They are stackable. So you can stack a few bottles of wine on top of each other in your overflow fridge. And since they're stackable, they also work wonders for water bottles. Just saying. Another thing I like to use is the Linus bins to hold extra items in your fridge and freezer. If you have overflow of fruits, vegetables, meats, any sort of product like that, using bins will help keep those items together so that you can store them easily in your fridge and freezer and then pull them out when you need to restock your other fridge or freezer. You can find all of the products that I use down below, and you can also find a link to a blog post that will walk you through setting up your overflow fridge and freezer. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.